Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find general fiction books on the Everand application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just go to the lower bar, tap to the third button, the discover. In the browse all section you can find the first row and tap to the last button, the general fiction. New, in this site you can find the categories section, and you can find different topics, for example fiction, political fiction, psychological, friendship, sagas or others. You can check that books, and you can save it later. You can check the ratings, and you can find a short description or recommendation. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.